Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yemi D here, and this video is just gonna be my traveling to New York vlog and just clean up and everything. I actually need to start getting ready. I am leaving to go to New York tomorrow night. It is already 3 o'clock. Y'all already know me. I have not packed and I need to clean my apartment before I go. So yeah, I'm about to be in New York for 2 weeks because my cousin's also graduating, so we're going to her graduation. I am doing my clients' lashes for the week. I am hanging out with my sisters. I cannot wait for that because me and my sisters all now live in different states. So yeah, I'm really excited for my New York trip, and I'm also really trying to still be consistent, so I do plan on posting. So I make sure I'm bringing my iPad, bringing my USD card, so I'm able to keep up with my consistency posting on YouTube videos. I'm gonna make sure I bring my camera and my iPad so that I'm able to vlog and edit. I usually bring my laptop with me, but that is way too heavy, so I'm just gonna bring my iPad so I'm able to edit on that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up my apartment first, and then I'm going to pack later. So yeah. It is much later in the day. I cleaned up as much as I can. It's time for me to pack, and I need to pack before I crash because remember I said we're leaving tomorrow night and I have clients tomorrow morning. So I have a long day, but I'm basically gonna just worry about packing my supplies for tomorrow because that's just easy. I'm packing up my suite and I'm putting it in my suitcase. Right now, I just need to pack the clothes that I'm wearing. Usually, I would just pack what I'm going to be wearing for the time I'm going to be there. But since this time, I'm going to be going to my cousin's graduation. And I'm also going to be hanging out with my other cousins for Memorial Day. I need to pack like makeup and like cute little outfits. So, only problem is I don't like to check in my bag. So, we're going to pray everything fits in here. Because I don't check in my bags. No, that's more money, and we're trying to make this trip cost efficient. So everything needs to fit in my carry-on and my Goyard bag. But I don't even want to make my Goyard bag full because she's big, but she doesn't need to be like stuffed or heavy or anything like that. And I also need to go get a new carry-on because these wheels are just so freaking ghetto. It barely be moving right. So this is what I usually do when I'm packing for my New York trips. I usually put my clothes here, and then my trays and stuff goes in here. Gotta make this bad boy fit. Overpacked queen. Okay, so we finally got everything that we're gonna wear. I'm just missing a set that I could have worn for work, but I think I might just wear that at the airport. So now all the stuff that we need to pack so far is our makeup, and then I think everything is done, and then shoes, makeup, shoes, bags, and then I still need room for my lash trays and my lights. But again, like I said, I do have my Goyard bag that I can fit a lot of stuff in when I travel. So whatever's not gonna fit in my luggage, I'm definitely gonna put in my big ass Goya bag, so that's a win with that. So yeah, let me go ahead and just pack up my makeup real quick and then throw it in the luggage and we're done. I'm not even gonna pack anything like crazy for my makeup. It's just gonna be like 1 or 2 like light products again, because I don't have the space for that, and yeah, I don't have time for that. So everything that I'm packing needs to fit here and it needs to be flat. So again, I'm not gonna pack no foundation, which is fine because I mastered my no foundation look. And also too, my sisters are coming. We're the same shape. I can wear their foundation. Concealer, beauty blender. Yeah, maybe I do need a bigger bag. Maybe I'm dragging it. I think I actually need a makeup bag. So I think I'm gonna pack my actual makeup and just that's probably just gonna go in my Goya bag because I'm dragging it. Good morning, you guys. It is actually the next day. We are in my suite right now because one, I have 2 clients today, and then I also need to pack up the stuff, like my supplies, my lights, all that, because I am leaving for New York tonight. Today's going to be a long day because let me break down my schedule for you guys today. So today I have 2 clients today. I have 2 new sets actually, and then I kind of want to go to Sephora because I am running out of my skincare products, but I'm not really too sure about that because I also do have therapy at 7. I also do need to finish packing my supplies and stuff. I need to pack that as well, and then I have my flight at 10. So I don't know if I want to go to Sephora, but I kind of do want to go to Sephora, but I kind of don't want to go to Sephora, but I kind of do want to go to Sephora. So we'll see what we end up doing after work. So yeah, let me get ready for my client before she gets here. It's probably like 9:55. She gets here at 10, so let me get ready for that. Okay, so I just finished my clients. I'm about to start going ahead and packing up everything.
In the interest of air safety and your personal safety, we ask that you keep a close watch on your baggage and carry-on items. Do not accept items from unknown persons to carry onto aircraft.
So we're at the airport right now. I'm so happy I don't have to get on the Atlanta train because that's just be adding more work. So we're walking to our gate. So yeah, and then we're early. I think it's 9 o'clock. My flight doesn't start boarding until 10:15, so we have an hour and I have a lot to do. So that's perfect because I could just sit down and post what I need to post and figure out what I need to figure out. So yeah. Welcome aboard. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog.